This is my third review of an HDMI cord. Actually, shooters. Now, here's the graphics. Now, this is a very short cord. It's under 2 feet. So I had to rearrange my 360. Now, the graphics look about the same. I mean, one of the other HDMI cables that I got is okay. I'd rather have one of the 3 to 6 foot long cords, because then I could rearrange my 360 however I want. I have plenty of room to do whatever I like. But still, this cord, I believe, cost me $2.90 or something like that. Here, I'll show you. Turn off my 360. The reason why I keep turning my 360 off to unplug the HDMI cables is because I read that if you unplug and plug in an HDMI cable that is, well, it just gets damaged. Don't know how or why, but it does. At least that's what I read. Anyways. Here it is. Now, I would say these cables are all 9.8. The 3 that I've already done a review of. Not the 10s that I was hoping for. But anyways, this is Tyler, and this is my review of a third HDMI cable I got from eBay. Another 9.8.